Stuck with the Windows Biometric Service DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before we walk through the Windows Biometric Service troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This is the Windows Biometric Service, the Windows Biometric Service Library. It manages the communication between the OS and biometric hardware, like fingerprint scanners or Windows Hello face cameras. If corrupted, the Windows Hello options in settings will report. This option is currently unavailable, and users will be unable to log in via fingerprint or face. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Wbiosrvc is maintained by Windows itself. Run the system file checker by typing sfc/scan now in an elevated command prompt to detect and repair system-level file issues. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Windows Biometric Service file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for Windows Biometric Service DLL, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If you're encountering repeated missing file alerts, the recommended suite linked below provides informational guidance for Windows Biometric Service. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Windows Biometric Service dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.